a place in Assam, and it is the biggest river island in the world. Majuli has a lot of communities
like Mishing, Deuri, Kasaris, Nepalis, and even the Hindu influences.
Majuli also has a Satara tradition, that is, identity of Assam.
Vaishnavite culture was also originated here in 1449. It's such a long period, guys, and well, it was originated when Shankara Dev was born.
But when he came back after completing his education, so he introduced Vaishnavism for improvement in the conditions of Assam.
Do you guys even know that Majuli is also known as Mani Kanchan Sathal? Also, Majuli faces problems every year, a lot of problems. There is soil erosion, and just because of this, it's getting disappeared. But yes, if the proper techniques are being used, then Majuli can be saved. Majuli is really a beautiful place that has its own traditions and cultures since many years long back.